In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flights to anywhere on Google Flights. We'll walk through the full process, keep it simple, and add a few helpful tips so you can spot the best deals with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Google Flights. On the main dashboard, you'll see the trip builder right up front. This is where you set the basics of your journey so Google can match you with the cheapest options. Start by choosing your trip type, return if you're coming back, or one way if you're not. Next, adjust the number of passengers so pricing reflects exactly who's traveling. Right beside that, pick your cabin class, whether that's economy for the best prices or a higher class if you need more comfort. Now enter your departure city in the From field. As you type, you'll see suggestions. Choose the airport that works best for you. For the destination, select anywhere. This is the key to uncovering bargains you might not have thought to search for because it tells Google to find the most affordable places you can fly. Open the date picker and choose your travel dates. You'll notice the calendar often shows price trends by day, which makes it easier to spot cheaper windows. Here's a quick tip. Booking a flight months earlier than the travel date can unlock cheaper offers, and trying flexible dates can surface even better deals. Once you're happy with your dates, confirm them so they're applied to your search. When everything looks good, click Search. This takes you to the Explore view, where a world map displays destinations with live prices based on your settings. Zoom in, pan around, and watch the fares update as you move the map. It's a fast way to compare options across regions. When you spot a great price, select that destination to view its details. You'll see a preview of routes and airlines plus an option to drill deeper. Click View Flights to open the full list of available itineraries for that destination. At the top of the results, change the sort to Price, Lowest first. This immediately brings the cheapest options to the top so you don't miss them. From here, keep browsing until you find the cheapest price that also fits your timing and comfort needs. Take a moment to review flight times and connections so the savings make sense for your schedule. And that's it. You've learned how to find cheap flights to anywhere on Google Flights, from setting up your search to comparing destinations and sorting by the best price. Happy deal hunting and safe travels!